In this video, we'll look at how to add manual references. This is a unique feature to Inspector, and it's helpful to be able to document outside references of your code so that in the future, when you're looking to optimize and remove dormant or disabled code, you're not going to get it confused with actual code that is being called from outside sources. An outside source, for example, could be a script that is called by a Tableau action, or let's say a script schedule that runs at a particular time of day, or in FileMaker 19, now you have scripts that you can donate to Siri shortcuts. So with all of these, you can create what is called a manual reference. You can also add them or remove them. And the other benefit is that when you run another analysis, once you've added it, it can carry forward, so you never have to document it again. So let's dive in and take a look. So here I have a list of scripts that belong to this file called EM. I have a script here called callback from Tableau. It has currently 0 references. If I click on the reference button at the top, what I can do is I can add a reference for it and say used by Tableau action. And I can create this manual reference for the current record or the found set. So let me add it to the current record, and now you'll see that I have a reference count of 1. I can do the same thing here for Siri shortcuts and document that so I don't accidentally delete that script when I'm cleaning up. So used by Siri. So there it is, it's documented. If I go back to a prior analysis, the first analysis here, we'll see that I had 18 layouts that were unreferenced. Now what I did was I went ahead later on and added manual references to each of these layouts. I did it for the found set. And what I end up with in the future is something that looks like this. Now I have 0 unreferenced layouts. All layouts are referenced. This is a great way to be able to document your solution and then have a way, make sure that any layouts that do show up with 0 references, then you know that those ones are indeed layouts that could probably be deleted. If I go back to my 2 scripts that I added references for, I can also go back in and remove any manual reference that I add. So I can go ahead and remove this, and now that reference is gone. So just to recap, manual references is a unique feature to InspectorPro. Adding them is very easy, and when you bring in another subsequent analysis, those numbers and those manual references carry forward.